वेलकम टू हेलो कोलकाता के नए एपिसोड में। बंगाली न्यू ईयर इज़ अप्रोचिंग इन 15th ऑफ अप्रैल। तो 6 बालीगंज प्लेस जहाँ पर बंगाली क्यूज़िन खाने के लिए बंगालीज़ नहीं, इवन गुजरातीज़, मारवाड़ीज़ सभी कोई जाते हैं। दैट इज़ माई फेवरेट बंगाली रेस्टोरेंट, बंगाली फूड रेस्टोरेंट। सो उन्हीं के ओनर ने एक नया रेस्टोरेंट लॉन्च किया है जिसका नाम है रमानी, द सोल ऑफ दक्षिण, एज द नेम सजेस्ट। इट्स अ साउथ इंडियन क्यूज़िन। आई लव साउथ इंडियन क्यूज़िन बिकॉज इसमें एक ही मील में हम लोग को प्रोटीन और फैट, कार्ब दोनों मिल जाते हैं। और व्हेन यू वांट टू फील लाइटर ऑन योर स्टमक यू कैन हैव इट। सो मैंने सोचा आज मैं आप लोग को यहाँ की सैर करवा दूँ और हम लोग जानते हैं कि वो लोग क्या क्या मेनू में हैं और क्या टेस्ट है। तो प्लीज़ बी विथ मी एंड आई विल टेक यू देयर। थैंक यू। जैसे अंदर आते ही हम लोग को गणपति के दर्शन हो रहे हैं और इट्स वेल इंटीरियर, द इंटीरियर इज़ वेरी गुड एंड नाइसली वेल डेकोरेटेड एंड वेरी कोजी रेस्टोरेंट। लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू हैव नाइस साउथ इंडियन डिशेज ओवर हियर। थैंक यू सर। हाउ डू यू, अच्छा प्लीज गिव मी योर इंट्रोडक्शन।
My name is Ramani. I am the partner of Six Baligan Group
Baligan,
of restaurants.
okay.
We've got 22 years of experience. I being a Tamil Brahmin, I used to cook well and I still cook well. So my partner said, why not what you eat translate into a South Indian restaurant?
Okay.
So that's how this restaurant was born. And we wanted to name it Kaveri, but Kaveri being a bone of contention between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka,
Yeah.
we wanted to take a safe name. So why not put my own name? Because Ramani in
It's
Sanskrit,
actually very Sanskrit and it comes in mouth very catchy now. Yeah, very catchy, very catchy.
So we said, okay. So keeping numerology in mind, we kept Ramani and double E. So that's how the whole thing.
Okay,
so the
okay.
speciality of this restaurant is it is Iyer Brahmin food.
Okay.
Because we are Iyers from Tanjore. And there our food is, because rice, we are the rice growing belt. So even the snacks are made of rice.
Okay.
So you find a majority of all South Indian snacks, even during Janmashtami, when we make the murukus and other snacks,
Okay.
80% of it's rice.
Rice.
So we make a lot of snacks and savories out of rice.
Rice.
So this is an attempt to get Tanjore Brahmin Iyer food to Calcutta.
Calcutta. And I'm actually a good fan of your Six Balinganj place and the wall and everything. So I just, when I heard it, I wanted to. No, चलो अभी तो टी कोटा कट्टी. So, sir, tell me something about this. How it?
This pidi kokki is nothing but broken rice, along with spices and dal. It is kneaded and made into balls with hand. Pidi means hand.
Okay.
And korakata is anything modak.
Okay.
So all sweet korakata is called chakra
This is
korakata.
sweet?
No, this is not sweet. This is called savory. This is
Savory.
salty.
Okay, salty.
So this is called
It is
pidi.
like a starter.
Pudi is handheld. It's a handheld dumpling.
जैसे लड्डू बनाते हैं.
हाँ, जैसे लड्डू, बट लड्डू का शेप में जाता है। इन लोगों को बोला है थोड़ा हाथ का शेप आएगा।
हाँ, हाँ.
इन्होंने उसमें ज़्यादा परफेक्ट कर दिया।
Perfect, हाँ.
बट ऐसे शेप नहीं होता है।
Okay,
ऐसे
थोड़ा
shape
सा fingers, हाँ,
ग्रेनेड
हाँ.
जैसा होता है।
Fingers, हाँ.
फिंगर का टच रहना चाहिए।
Okay.
बट इन्होंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा परफेक्ट
कर दिया.
और कुछ नहीं। So ये
So you've heard this. This is made of broken rice, and they'll boil this, and it's not a single drop of oil has been used in this. So it's quite healthy also. So let me taste it, and I'll let you know how it is. It's something new. I'm having it. This is not sambar. This is brinjal का कुछ है.
This is, I think this is more goes on.
Tamarind and brinjal. Tamarind and brinjal. Burnt brinjal and tamarind. सांभर जैसा ही टेस्ट होता है, मतलब थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट. It's quite tasty and it's very healthy. It's really very tasty. It's really very tasty. Little bit of upma taste is also coming in this. Yeah. Now something very interesting served on my table. I'm reading and telling you because it's a little bit difficult for me to pronounce. The name is Arsi Adai, and it is made up of rice, and one is made up of rice and dal. It seems like a South Indian pancake and very crispy. So let me taste it and let you know how it is. It serves with the coconut chutney. It is very delicious, crispy from outside and soft from inside. Please have it when you come here and give me review how it is. As it is, I liked it very much. Panjana. This is appam only, I think so, and they have given with the two chutneys, coconut chutney and this tomato orange chutney. Just have it and I will tell you the taste. Out of this world. It's crunchy and very soft and well cooked. And that little bit of tangy taste is there. जैसे गुजराती ढोकले में नहीं होता है खट्टा सा थोड़ा. It's very nice. This is rice vermicelli. Rice right? It's like a vermicelli, and it's they serve with the coconut chutney. And see, coconut is not that regular coconut curry. I can tell this coconut curry. Coconut taste is coming over. It's like we are eating rice with coconut curry, and all these items, whatever they have used, coconut or the masalas and the dals and everything there, import from Tamil only, South only. So the taste is actually very different from Calcutta, other restaurant, South Indian restaurant. For that, you have to come here and have to eat it, and then let me know the review also. What I have told is right or wrong. I'm absolutely filled with South Indian cuisine, and it's really tasty, and every bite of it is you feel like you are having something very tasty, and South Indian flavor is there in everything, coconut chutney, or you can say rice or everything. It's appam. We can say this appam, the name they have given something different, and at last they have given me the nirmor, and in Gujarati I can say this is vaghareli chas. So I'm having this, I'm loving this, and it's really very refreshing after food and for digestion purpose also. So please after food have this, and before food coffee. It's really very, 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 very tangy, and it's my favorite drink actually. Thank you. At last dessert time, and it's a Mysore Pak, South Indian dessert, and let me taste. It's quite very nice, sweet, and it's like it's of besan, na? It's of besan, and we can have it like a monthad in Gujarati. I am just giving all the Gujarati, but actually I am tasting today is something very similar to Gujarati taste. So have it, it's very nicely, and it's a crunchy and ghee ka taste aa raha hai. So I'm loving it. I had authentic South Indian food in Ramani, and it's very nearby to South Calcutta. It's in Purnadas Road, and so please do come here and just bet it. You'll just come here and you won't be disappointed. So I'm very happy to introduce this place to you all. So you please come and just let me know how you find it. Till then, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please share it to all your friends, so I'll connect you more with you all, and love you all, and till then, bye Kolkata, hello Kolkata. Thank you.